Today we're going to be looking at the Beurer Wellbeing Daylight Therapy Lamp. Inside of the box you'll find a fabric case for the lamp itself, a Beurer brochure, an information sheet, a user manual, the light panel, a European 2-pin plug and cable, and a clip-on stand. The lamp is extremely easy to set up, and the clip-on bracket allows the user to position the light in a number of different positions. The power switch is located on the top edge of the light, and once activated is extremely bright. This lamp is an ideal companion for anyone who sadly suffers from seasonal affective disorder. The Beurer Wellbeing Daylight Therapy Lamp is available now.